Okay folks, what you're seeing is the 4-volt Hart screwdriver. It's nice to have one of these when you're doing little small jobs and you don't want it to be like your big screwdriver or impact wrench. It's a nice little screwdriver. I've used it now for about 2 months, I'm guessing, and it worked great. It holds a charge for a long time. It is a lot more powerful than you would expect. You get 2 bits in the package, and you get the charger and you get the screwdriver. Like I said, I've used it for quite a bit, and it's working out really well. You know, the screwdriver, the 4-volt and everything, you're not going to be doing this with this screwdriver, but I just want to see if it will put in that 3.5-inch screw. Okay, so it's gone through the 2x4. Take it out. See if it'll do one more. That's very surprising, you know. Let's try one more. I just wanted to show that because you're not going to be using a screwdriver like this for that type of screws, right? I bet you it would have done another 3 or 4, maybe more. I mean, that's not bad for this little Hart screwdriver.